We'll guide you through how to make Caption Move in CapCut PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create more engaging and professional videos using CapCut. Adding captions with animation helps improve viewer retention and accessibility, especially on social media. This guide shows users how to generate subtitles automatically and enhance them with motion effects to make their videos more attractive and easier to understand. To begin this tutorial, click your CapCut on the main page. Once the app is open, look at the top section of the interface and click Create Project to begin a new editing session. After entering the project workspace, move your attention to the top left corner and click Import so you can add media files from your device. Next, select the video you want to create English captions for by clicking on the file, and then click Open to import it into the project. Once the video is successfully uploaded, you will see it appear in the media library. Then, click the plus icon on the video you have uploaded to add it to the timeline for editing. After the video is placed on the timeline, look at the top left corner of the editing interface and click Captions to open the captioning tools. Inside this section, click Spoken Language to set the language used for caption generation. A list of available languages will appear on your screen. Then, select your desired language from the list so the system can accurately transcribe the spoken audio in your video. After selecting the appropriate language, click Generate to begin creating captions automatically. The system will start analyzing the audio in your video and converting the spoken words into text captions. Wait for the generation process to complete, which may take some time depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once the process is complete, the captions will automatically appear on your video and be aligned with the audio timing. After that, click Animation in the top right corner to access styling options for your captions. Next, click Captions in the top right corner to focus on caption animation settings. Then, select the animation movement you want from the available options to enhance how the captions appear on screen. Click Play to see the results and preview how the captions and animations look together with your video.